So these tables correspond to inputs and outputs. Which of these input and output tables could represent a function and which ones could not? And we need to explain. So when I see an input and output table, what I'm really looking for here is I'm looking for repeating numbers, right? In this first one here, all of the inputs are different, but the outputs have multiple of the same, right? But it's okay if the outputs have multiple of the same. The issue when we're looking at is something a function, we're trying not to have a single input have multiple different outputs. So if I look at B here, so table A, yeah, ends up being good because we don't have multiple inputs giving us, multiple of the same inputs giving us different outputs. But in this one here, looks like we have two inputs that give us two separate outputs. In this case here, we know that this is not a function. This one here is fine, even though the outputs are always the same, no matter what we do. It basically kind of on a grid here would say, okay, when the x value is 1, the y value is 0. When the x value is 2, the y value is 0. When the x value is 3, the y. So it gives us a straight line along the x-axis, which is okay, still passes our vertical line test. Whereas when we look at table D here, well, that gives us something when x is 1, x is 0, y is 1. When x is 0, y is also 2, y is also 3. In this one, it does not pass the vertical line test, so we say that this is not a function. So in this case here, table A and table C are functions.